Okie dokie, let's get down to this family fun of dipping experience. As I've said before, it is really a lovely little art project to do with your friend or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your mother or sister, brother or father or children. It's just a really easy and fun little art project. This dipping technique, it's been done for years and years. I did it in school myself. And it's always a pleasure, and the art pieces usually come out just beautiful. So it gives lots of encouragement for those that are doing this particular art and think that they're not an artist. There is an artist within all of us, especially if the technique's nice and easy like this one. So, excuse me, I've got two 25 by 20 canvases, and as you see, I just coated them in the acrylic with a pouring medium. All the info is in the drop down box, and now I'm going to literally do my wiggles all over the canvas in these really nice bright and uplifting colours. Started off with the metallic gold, and that was the hot pink, and now it's the cool blue. So you can basically put whatever colours you choose in there. Sometimes less is better than more, and you can make it look more classy looking if you do more earthy colours. But I wanted this bright and just something bright and uplifting, so hence my fluoro pink in there, and this is just a dash of purple. When you're making these colours up for a dip technique, it's always better, I find, if they're slightly on the thick side, then there's less chance of them going muddy. So now for my really nice bright yellow, I'm going to put in some, putting in the, what's the Hawaiian sort of, it reminds me of really paradise and Hawaiian-y colours, having these really nice bright and uplifting colours. So there you go. That's as simple as that. And now it is for the canvas to plop on top of the other one, nice and slowly. And then just flatten it out with your hands, and even flatten the back of the canvas with your hands, as I will do. Come on, get to it, Jilly. So it's just flattening the back. So you're transferring the colour, you're dipping from one canvas to the next. And what I get now is my little roller, which is not meant for this process at all. I can't even remember what the roller is meant for. But I find it great for doing this because it's spreading the paint to the other canvas. It's always good as well to give your canvas a turn over. So again, transferring one to the other, nice and simple. And again, the same process. And if you find when you do lift up those canvases, you get a little bit of a gap somewhere, then that's the perfect time for balloon kissing. So if you're doing this with a group of friends or with children or grandchildren, to have them at the table with a little canvases like that, and look at that pretty lovely effect you get from it. Now you can either absolutely leave that just as it is and to dry, or if you want to jillify it, you give it balloon kisses. So that's much better if you're wiping your balloon off in between each kiss, just so it doesn't muddy up the paints. But yeah, what a lovely sweet effect. Like I said, a fantastic project to do with your girlfriends or anybody. Just have fun and let your creativity, take over and give it a go. So it's just a sweet and easy technique to do. So enjoy, my people. I'll let you enjoy my balloon kissing, and I'll be back with you next time. You'll see the dry effects at the end, and hope you enjoyed that quick and easy technique.